you're sitting there trying to manage 60 plants at once. You either got to fly there, you got to make some calls, you can check some security cameras, but you typically have to wander or find the problem and go to it. What we do is put these particular computer sensors throughout a manufacturing plant. And what it does is give these decision makers with over 700,000 manufacturing plants operating in the United States access to everything going on, including all the safety, all of the critical issues, and how to optimize it, where to find bottlenecks, and proceed on from there.
Great.